Hey Jennifers, how are you all doing today? So this is another tutorial, okay? I am going to be showing you guys how to make French calls from the very beginning by yourself at home. So guys, if you've been following my tutorial videos, you would know that I am committed to teaching you from the start how to make box braids, French curls, other tutorials. Okay, so all you need to do is just be focused and watch exactly what I'm doing, and before you know, you perfect your skills, and there you go. Okay, so today I used two different colors of Lush extension, Lush braiding, and this time around it is the French curls. So guys, I started from the very back. I am actually making box braids, and yeah, what I do is I braid the hair up to a quarter, a half and a quarter. How do I say it? Like a one third. Yeah, I braid 3/4 of the hair, and then I leave 1/4 for the curls to come out perfectly. As you can see me tying here, ensure you tie to the point where you braid. Ensure you tie so it doesn't lose. As you can see, this braiding extension is very silky and curly, so ensure you tie, make a loop. Okay, so guys, make sure that you put so much focus on the front, because yeah, this is exactly where people are going to see and love your work. Okay, so let me let you all watch this tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you are a fan of what I do, let me know what you want me, the video idea you want me to post next. Let me know the style you want me to make next. Okay, just drop a comment down below, tell me what you think about this video. Okay, and yeah, let's get going. Thank you guys so much for watching, and enjoy the video, enjoy the rest of the video. Okay.